Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is day 9 of trading until it's day 9 of trading. And today's trade was loss on GBP during PM session, and this trade was very risky, was pretty risky to me, because I kind of broke some of my rules while taking this trade, and I'm going to show you guys in a bit. But yeah, the trade was hopefully going to be I think it was a 1 to 3 I was aiming for. No, it was like a 2 to 1 hour. I was aiming for like a 2 to 1 hour, but I didn't get it. But it is what it is. At least I did not blow the account, but the trade ended up as a loss. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to leave the live recording of the execution in this very video, and I always post the live executions on TikTok before even recording the trade recaps here on YouTube. I always post them on TikTok. You can go and check out my TikTok. The link is in the description. Just go and check it out, and make sure to leave a follow and a like on any of the video you see. So the reason why I say this trade was very risky, this was, you can see this very aggressive news candle, this very aggressive news candle. This was Trump speaking, and price made this very strong move. This made this low. The fact that this was a news candle, it made this low data low, and me, while I was taking that trade, I had to kind of, what can I call them, I had two narratives while going in to take a trade. One is that price may give me an entry within this range before taking out this low, or price may come down, take out the data low, then give me the entry confirmation, then a die. But I was very strong on this, on the second narrative, because price always respects data highs and lows. It always does. As you can see here, we also reacted off a data high right here. This is a data high right here. We also reacted off of it. Then price started to show signs of reversals. Then news came out, and it finally reversed. So as I was saying, this trade was very risky because I took the low probability entry and left the high probability entry. I don't know why, but I wanted to trade so badly today, and I decided to enter very risky. But at the end, the risky entry ended up to hold, but I got stopped out right here. And price first retraced a bit, then came back to my stop loss point, then continued higher, hitting my break-even point and almost hitting my take profit point, as you can see. So this was a very confusing trade, because this is very painful to watch. This one right here, price tagging you out, then reversing to your take profit. It's very painful to watch, but it is what it is. Let me show you guys the trade recap, and I always leave the live execution of the trades at the end of the video. You can check them out, and I always post them on TikTok before even recording a trade recap video. I always post the live executions on TikTok and very many other videos. You can go and check out the account. The link is in the description, and make sure to leave a follow and a like. Yeah, let's go into the trade recap. So I think I came to the markets when this candle was still in formation. This candle was still in formation, and it had not yet taken out this swing low. So my main bias was for price to take out this swing low or this swing high. Then there came news, and price dropped aggressively, taking out the swing low. After taking out the swing low, I wanted to wait for the candle to close, and I waited for a candle closure of this very candle right here to get an opportunity to trade higher, to look for higher prices on the 1 minute time frame. So after that I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame. After the candle closure, I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame, and I got my entry right here. As you can see here, price first gave me this fair value gap, and I first put my entry right here. Price did not tag me in, left behind another fair value gap. Then I put my entry at this very fair value gap, covering this first fair value gap, just in case if price wants to kind of just tap into the candle then reverse. As you can see here, it tapped into this candle then reversed, but this reverse was not very strong. Then price came back lower, I think tapped into this order block, because this is another block right here. There's another block right here. Tapped into this order block, respected it, then headed higher. So as I said at the beginning of the video, this was a very risky entry. This one right here was a very risky entry. The much more high probability entry was this one right here, waiting for price to take out this data low right here. I could have waited for something like this, price to trade into that data low, give me a swing high right here, take it out, leave behind a fair value gap, get a tap, then trade higher. I wanted price to give me that, but I wasn't in the mood to wait, and it's kind of my fault, because if I had waited, I would have not traded today and I would have avoided this loss. So yeah, it is what it is. This was the trade recap. I hope you guys loved it, and make sure to leave a comment on anything you want to ask me, anything. Make sure to just leave a comment. I'll make sure to respond, and I always make sure to respond on all the comments you guys leave. So yeah, appreciate your support and appreciate everything you have done for me, for watching my content, because it's really hard to start content creation on YouTube. It's really hard, but you guys give me hope to continue pushing, and I really do appreciate it. I don't take you guys for granted. I really do appreciate it, and I really love it. So you guys can also drop any video idea you want me to, any video you want me to make in the future about trading or psychology, because yeah, at the end of the day we all need each other in this very, very, very long and tiresome journey. So yeah, really appreciate your support. I'm leaving the live execution of the trade at the end of this video, and it's on TikTok. You can go and check it out, and very many other videos. Link is in the description. Make sure to leave a follow and subscribe. Peace.